Essential eBay Vendor Tools. Hello, welcome and thank you for choosing this video course. In this video, I'm going to talk about what tools that you really need when it comes to running an e-commerce business. Now, if you've set up your eBay store and you're already determined what you're planning to sell, the next step is to have all of the essential tools to get things up and running. Technically, the things you need should already be readily in use for you, such as a computer, smartphone, and a camera. Other than that, you need a printer and shipping supplies to package the products you send out. That is just the physical tools that you need. Next are the digital tools, such as mobile applications. There are various applications that you can use that help you with listing out your items as well as keeping track of your sales. With that being said, let's look into the physical tools that we need before setting up and selling at eBay. The only reason you should ever get yourself a printer is just for printing the shipping labels. If you're planning to get one, a personal printer, a LaserJet printer would be preferable, but inkjet would do just as fine as well. In the end, it really depends on how your budget is and how much you'd like to invest on a printer. Now, that being said, getting a personal printer is not entirely necessary. If you have a local printer service around your neighborhood, that would save up on some costs. When sending out your eBay items, you can save time and money by just paying for postage online and printing your own postage labels. All you need to do is print the label on a normal A4 paper and tape it to the package. Your postage label is filled out automatically with your buyer's name and delivery address. No need for data entry or writing labels out by hand. You can print your labels on an ordinary printer using regular A4 paper. No need for special labels. You can create and print a pre-filled packing slip detailing what you're sending to your buyer. Paying online means less time at the post office, and it can save you the trip. Tracking information appears automatically in My eBay for both you and the buyer. Before I jump into getting shipping supplies, if you're not keen on doing packaging and shipping or would prefer to save time, you can opt for third-party services to help you out with that process. Now, if you're opting for handling the packaging and shipping process, first you need the packaging materials. Gather empty boxes, which can either be purchased from office supply stores or you could just find at dumpsters. If you're opting to use the United States Postal Service, they will send you free priority mail boxes if you plan to ship using their services. Suffice to say, even though you can work around eBay's store with just the use of your computer or your laptop, what if you're in a situation where your trusty computer is not by your side? Compared to several years back, when the idea of running an e-commerce business can only be done through your computer, in the age of smartphones, mobile applications are more than enough of being capable of running software similar to our computers or even laptops. Even e-commerce sites are not out of the loop to jump into mobile applications. Now, with mobile applications, you can even handle your eBay store with just a mobile phone. That being said, there are various mobile apps that you could consider, and the ones that I'll recommend will not be exactly far-fetched from similar mobile apps as well. Essentially, a pocket store for you to manage, buy, or sell through your smartphone is free for download and available for iOS, Android, and Windows, BlackBerry. When it comes to selling items on eBay from your mobile device, you can create a listing with a simple form, and there are a list of things you can do as well. Research sales trends and completed listings for similar items to set a competitive price for your item. Take pictures with your device and add them to your listing. It's fast and easy. Scan your item's barcode to add product details that are in our catalog automatically. Predefine and save your listing preferences like handling time and return policy. Use the Sell One Like This feature to autofill some of your item details. Accept PayPal as a payment method, track your active listings, relist items, provide tracking information to buyers not yet available on your BlackBerry app, and respond to questions straight away. Last but not least, the fees for selling on eBay are the same when using eBay's mobile apps, and the same rules and policies apply. That being said, there are setbacks to this app as well, such as browsing through completed listings, which in this is best to browse it through website browsers to get the most accurate data. When it comes to showing all sold items through eBay Mobile, the feature may show inaccurate numbers. Take, for example, you buy something for $14 because you see it on eBay Mobile and it has sold for $40 to $50. You get home and see lots have sold for 20 as well. At least you do that if you're interested on that particular item. It's best to bookmark or save the page link and use the web browser instead. Besides being a general percent calculation, its features include calculators for discount, markup, and profit margin, as well with its advanced mode allows you to plug in any numbers to figure out the percentage. Take for example, X% of Y is Z, or X is Y% of Z. You can even type in the number into 2 out of 3 of the choices and the app will calculate the answer for you.